ziyambhedela undlovu izinto bafethu hayi kuzoshuba kuleli viki. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you on what is going to happen on Umkhokha from the 6th to the 10th of May 2024 on Monday. Mamzobe continues her journey of repentance. Some people forgive her, some don't. Bumenga is on cloud 9. The couple is putting in the work on their dream. Gabi gets a life-changing opportunity on Tuesday. Difa returns to their marital bed. Mamzobe or Makosa walks on eggshell around Mamzobe. Bumenga are in their winning season and Menga does a grand gesture on Wednesday. Ndlovu's plan to discredit Mamzobe backfires in a big way. The prize Mthembu ring is returned to Mamzobe, who grapple with the decision to return it to its ancestral lineage. Nobuntu ignores the first red flag on Thursday. Nobuntu's life is thrown into a total disarray. Mamzobe redeems herself while Kulegane witnesses the power of God on Friday. Nobuntu's world comes crashing down and Menga is nowhere to be found. Samtshela kodwa ke uNobuntu ukuthi lo Menga wakhe lo hayi akubonakala engazuthi uyamthanda yena njengoba emthanda. Kulegane performs a miracle in front of the Mthembus. Sibahle find herself in hot water. Imali ihambile. Umenga akasatholakali. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.